Hello everyone, you are at VS Masterclass Maya. In our last video, we already checked that how we can create a meaningful object by utilizing objects of Maya. And within this video, we will check that how we can compare, how we can differentiate the usage of group and the combine, and how both of them will help us in the betterment of our modeling. So directly need to jump within the Maya. Here you can see what we already created in the last video, the table. So the problem is why we required the group, why we just need to combine all of them together. Now if we just want to place this table at an extreme corner of our grid, so what we can do, we can scale, and by pressing the R tab we can scale our object. We know very well, we already check in our earlier videos. So if I uniformly scale this object from the center, so you can see something strange that we really don't want to have. If I press Ctrl Z to undo the same thing what we already did just now, so now we can see our table in the positive condition. This is the actual problem we may face if we just want to scale it and we just want to place it somewhere. We can drag it by pressing W, we can drag it, but the problem is at a point of time possibly you require to scale it, again you will feel that you are helpless in Maya. So the solution for this problem is the group. By using the shortcut we can do such. If I press Ctrl and G, so you can see our object in green wireframe mode. If I press W, we can not only move our object, but we can also scale this same object as we really want. So this is the power of group. You also has one feature through which you can edit your object, your meaningful object at any point of time. Suppose I don't want the legs will be visible from the table top, so we can pull it a bit over the top, and now we can see all the legs are now at the bottom of the tabletop. So the problem is if I select them all again and if I press R again, so you will see the similar type of strange result that we already faced earlier. So we already assigned group and now still we are facing the same issue? No, it is the problem of our way of working. We are selecting our object, it is fine, but we have to activate our group again and again. Because we customize our object a bit, so we have to activate our group. How we can do this? By pressing up arrow key, we can activate the same group, and now you can see we can scale it, and now we can place it wherever we want. This is the way we can utilize group, and I already clear you that why we required group and how we can utilize group, how we can customize an existing group. So now the next thing is the another way of doing the same. Possibly you will find it more simpler than this, but I have to share it with you also. Let me duplicate this, and now we have another table over our viewport. And similar problem we are facing here also. If I select this, similarly we have the same issue here also. So now the next thing is to select everything. You know very well how to select, multiple objects. By pressing shift you can select like this, or by using marquee selection you can select your overall objects for the meaningful content. And over the top of your menu bar you can see the mesh, and under the mesh if I click mesh you can find combine. So by using this command, by using this tool under mesh, we can combine whatever is being selected. So if I click combine for now, you can see our table is ready to go anywhere, and we can scale it from the center, and we can also rotate it, and we can move it. By pressing W we can move. So that's all about the comparison between the group as well as the combine. I hope you like this video. So that's all about this video. In the next video we will learn something new for sure. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe this so that we can produce our more input in this same manner. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video.